Good morning, students. Today's topic is linear differential equations. So the most important topic in this unit. So first of all, we see the definition of linear differential equation. So what is linear differential equation? So a differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable y and its differential coefficients occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. So a differential equation said to be linear if the dependent variable y, so here y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So that dependent variable y and its differential coefficients. So differential coefficients occur only in the first degree. Dependent variable మరియు దాని డిఫరెన్షియల్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీలో మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. అటువంటి డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ని లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటారు. అండ్ the differential coefficients and dependent variable cannot multiply together. So then the differential equation is said to be a linear differential equation. So the linear differential equation of the first order is of the form. So the linear differential equation of the first order is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. The differential equation which is in the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q is called as a linear differential equation. A linear differential equation. So here capital P and capital Q are constants or functions of x alone. So ఇక్కడ మనకు capital P capital Q values కాన్స్టాంట్స్ అన్న అయి ఉండొచ్చు, లేదంటే ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్లలో ఫంక్షన్స్ అవి కూడా ఉంటాయి. సో dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p and q are functions of x are constants. Then this differential equation is said to be linear differential equation. So to solve such an equation, multiply both sides of equation 1 by e power integral of p dx. Now multiplying equation by both sides with e power integral of p dx. dy by dx plus py equal to e power integral of p into dx into q. That is d by dx of y into e power integral p dx equal to e power integral of p dx into q. Then by integrating both sides we get integral of, so by integrating d by dx we get y into e power integral of p dx equal to integral of q into e power integral p dx into dx plus c. Here c is the integrating constant. So which is the complete solution of equation? So this is y into e power integral of p dx equal to integral of q into e power integral of p dx into dx plus c is the complete solution of the linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q. So here e power integral of p dx is called as integrating factor. So here one important note is there, that is sometimes a given differential equation becomes linear if we take x as dependent variable and y as independent variable. That is, it can be written as in the form, if the differential equation in the form dx by dy plus p1x equal to q1. Here x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. So that the solution for this type of equation is, so here p1 and q1 are constants or functions of y. So here capital P1 and capital Q1 are functions of y are constants. Then the solution of this type of differential equation is x into e power integral of p1 dy equal to integral of q1 into e power integral of p1 dy into dy plus c. So here in this type x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. So this is the complete solution of this type of linear differential equation. Now let us see some problems. First problem, 1 plus x into dy by dx minus xy equal to 1 minus x. So solution, the given differential equation is, so ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చిన differential equation 1 plus x into dy by dx minus xy equal to 1 minus x. So it can be written as dy by dx minus xy by 1 plus x equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. That is dy by dx minus x by 1 plus x into y equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So this is equation number 1. So this equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So this equation 1 is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p value is minus x by 1 plus x and q value is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now integrating factor equal to, now integrating factor e power integral of p into dx. So here p value is e power integral of p minus x by 1 plus x into dx. So this can be written as e power integral of 1 by 1 plus x minus 1. By taking LCM and simplifying we get minus x by 1 plus x into dx. So that it can be written as e power integral of 1 by 1 plus x into dx minus integral of 1 into dx. That is e power. So integral of 1 by x into dx is log x. So here we have 1 by 1 plus x. So it can be written as e power log of 1 plus x minus x. So it is in the form of log a plus b. So this can be written as exponential e power a plus b can be written as e power a into e power b. So this can be written as e power log of 1 plus x into e power minus x. So here exponential of log, so exponential logarithm get cancelled. So we get 1 plus x into e power minus x. So we are getting integrating factor e power integral of p dx as 1 plus x into e power minus x. Then the general solution of equation 1 formula is y into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So here integrating factor is e power integral of p dx, that is 1 plus x into e power minus x. So that we get y into integrating factor 1 plus x into e power minus x equal to integral of q value is 1 minus x by 1 plus x, integrating factor 1 plus x into e power minus x into dx plus c. So here 1 plus x get cancelled, remaining 1 minus x into e power minus x into dx. So that 1 into e power minus x is integral of e power minus x dx minus integral of x into e power minus x into dx plus c. That implies y into 1 plus x into e power minus x equal to e power minus x integration e power minus x by minus 1. So here it is in the form of u into v method. So we have the formula for integral of u into v is u integral of v dx minus d by dx of u integral of v dx whole dx. So that here x is u, e power minus x is v minus x. Integral of e power minus x dx minus integral of d by dx of x integral of e power minus x dx whole dx plus c. Then simplifying this, y into 1 plus x into e power minus x equal to minus e power minus x minus of x into e power minus x by minus 1 minus 1 into e power minus x by minus 1 into dx plus c. That is minus e power minus x minus into minus plus x e power minus x minus into minus plus plus into minus. So here minus into minus plus. e power minus x plus c. So e power, taking e power minus x as common, minus 1 plus x plus 1 plus c. So here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. That is x into e power minus x plus c. So this side y into 1 plus x into e power minus x equal to x e power minus x plus c. So that y into 1 plus x equal to, so e power x e power minus x by e power minus x 1 plus c by e power minus x. So taking into the numerator y into 1 plus x equal to x plus c into e power x. So which is the complete solution or the general solution of given linear differential equation. Now let us see the next problem. Y dx minus x dy plus log x dx equal to 0. So the given differential equation y dx plus log x dx minus x dy equal to 0. Here dx common, y plus log x dx minus x dy equal to 0. Then y plus log x minus x into dy by dx equal to 0. Then x taking y, then x into dy by dx equal to y plus log x. Then dy by dx, taking y this side, taking x this side, dy by dx minus y by x equal to log x by x. So it is dy by dx minus 1 by x into y equal to log x by x. This is equation number 1. So equation 1 is, this equation 1 is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p equal to minus 1 by x and q equal to log x by x. Then integrating factor equal to e power integral of p dx, that is e power p value minus 1 by x minus integral of 1 by x dx, that is e power minus log x. So here exponential logarithm get cancelled, that is, so here log of minus 1 can be written as x power minus 1, e power exponential of logarithm x power minus, exponential logarithm get cancelled, x power minus 1 or x inverse, that can be written as 1 by x. So here we are getting integrating factor as 1 by x. Then the general solution of equation 1 is, the formula for general solution is y into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is y into 1 by x equal to integral of q log x by x into integrating factor 1 by x into dx plus c. That is y by x equal to integral of log x into 1 by x square dx plus c. So it is in the form of integral of u into v dv. Then the formula for this is u integral of v dx minus integral of du by dx integral of v dx whole dx. So here u is log x, v is 1 by x square, log x into integral of 1 by x square dx minus integral of d by dx of log x integral of 1 by x square dx whole dx plus c, log x into integral of 1 by x square integration minus 1 by x minus d by dx of log x is 1 by x, integral of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x into dx plus c. So this is minus 1 by x into log x minus into minus plus integral of 1 by x square, that is minus 1 by x plus c. So that y by x equal to minus, taking minus 1 by x as common, log x plus 1 plus c. Then y equal to minus of log x plus 1 plus x into c is cx, that is y plus log x plus 1 equal to cx, that is y plus log x plus 1 equal to cx. So which is the general solution of given linear differential equation y dx minus x dy plus log x dx equal to 0. Next problem, 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to x into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. So this equation, the given differential equation can be written as dy by dx plus 2x by 1 minus x square into y equal to x into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 by 1 minus x square. This is equation number 1. So this equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So here p equal to 2x by 1 minus x square and q equal to x into, so taking this 1 minus x square to the numerator, we get x into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. So here we have the values of p and q. Then integrating factor equal to e power integral of p dx, that is e power integral of p 2x by 1 minus x square dx. Then by differentiating in the numerator, the denominator term, we are getting minus 2x. So that is e power minus log of 1 minus x square. So this minus 1 can be written as log of 1 minus x square whole inverse. So exponential logarithm get cancelled. So remaining 1 minus x square whole inverse. This can be written as 1 by 1 minus x square. So we are getting the value integrating factor as 1 by 1 minus x square. Now the general solution of equation 1 is y into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. That is y into 1 by 1 minus x square equal to q. Q value is x into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2 into integrating factor value is 1 by 1 minus x square into dx plus c. That is y by 1 minus x square equal to, so taking this 1 minus x square to the numerator, we are getting minus 1. So that is x into minus 1 minus x square whole power minus 3 by 2 into dx plus c. Now putting 1 minus x square equal to t, we get 1 minus x square equal to t, then minus 2x into dx equal to dt, then x dx equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. Substituting these values, 1 minus x square equal to t power minus 3 by 2, then x into dx equal to minus 1 by 2 dt plus c. So taking minus 1 by 2 as common, t power minus 3 by 2 into dt. So it is in the form of x to the power of n into dx. Then the integration formula for x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that we get t power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 is 1 by 2 into, so this can be written as t power minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled. So t power minus 1 by 2 plus c. But we have the value 1 minus x square equal to t. That is substituted y by 1 minus x square equal to 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2 plus c. Then y equal to 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2. So that is 1 minus 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus c into 1 minus x square, or it can be also written as y equal to under root of 1 minus x square plus c into 1 minus x square, which is the general solution of the given differential equation. 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to x into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. Next problem, sin 2x into dy by dx minus y equal to tan x. So this equation, the given differential equation, can be written as dy by dx minus y by sin 2x equal to tan x by sin 2x, or dy by dx minus 1 by sin 2x into y equal to tan x by sin 2x. This is equation number 1. So the equation 1 can be in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So here p equal to minus 1 by sin 2x, that is 1 by sin b can be written as minus cosec 2x, and q equal to sin x by cos x by tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. So sin x by cos x into 1 by 2 sin x cos x. Here sin x get cancelled. 1 by cos square x. So here we have 2. So 1 by 2 cos square x. 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x. So we are getting q value as 1 by 2 secant square x. Then the integrating factor for this value, e power integral of p dx equal to e power p minus integral of cosec 2x into dx. That is e power log of tan x. Log of tan x. Log tan x square, but here minus 1, so that minus 1 by 2. That is exponential logarithm get cancelled. Tan x whole power minus 1 by 2. So this can be written as 1 by root tan x. 1 by root tan x. This is integrating factor. Then the general solution of equation 1 is y into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Y into integrating factor 1 by root tan x equal to 1 by 2 q value 1 by 2 secant square x. Integrating factor value is 1 by root tan x into dx plus c. Now put t equal to tan x. So in right hand side equation we are putting tan x equal to t. Then dt equal to secant square x dx. That is 1 by 2 tan x equal to t. Then secant square x dx equal to dt. So 1 by 2 integral of t power minus 1 by 2 dt plus c. So it is in the form of integral of x to the power of n into dx. The formula for this is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 by 2 into t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 2 into t power 1 minus 1 by 2 is plus 1 by 2. So here also plus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 get cancelled. T power 1 by 2 plus c. But here we have t equal to tan x. So that tan x power 1 by 2 plus c. Here we have y by root tan x. So this also can be written as root tan x. Then y equal to root tan x into root tan x plus c into root tan x. Root into root we are having tan x. That is y equal to tan x. Root tan x into root tan x is tan x plus c into root tan x. That is y equal to tan x plus c into root tan x. So which is the general solution or complete solution of the given differential equation, that is sin 2x into dy by dx minus 5 equal to tan x. Next problem, 1 plus pi square into dx equal to tan inverse of pi minus x into dy. So this differential equation can be written as 1 plus pi square into dx equal to tan inverse y minus x into dy. Then dx by dy equal to tan inverse of y minus x by 1 plus y square. That is dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus pi square into x equal to tan inverse of y by 1 plus y square. This is equation number 1. So equation 1 is in the form of second form, that is here dx by dy plus p1x equal to q1. So here p1 equal to 1 by 1 plus y square and q1 equal to tan inverse of y by 1 plus y square. Now the integrating factor for this type of linear differential equation is e power integral of p1 into dy, that is e power integral of p1 1 by 1 plus y square into dy. So integral of e power tan inverse of y. So we have differentiation of integration of 1 by 1 plus y square into dy is tan inverse of y. Then the general solution of equation 1 is y. So here general solution x into integrating factor equal to integral of q1 into integrating factor into dy plus c. x into integrating factor is e power tan inverse of y equal to integral of q1 tan inverse of y by 1 plus y square. Integrating factor e power tan inverse of y into dy plus c. Now putting t equal to tan inverse of y on right hand side. Then dt equal to 1 by 1 plus y square into d. So differentiation of tan inverse of y is 1 by 1 plus y square into dy. So substituting x into e power tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of y equal to t. E power t into 1 by 1 plus y square into dy is dt. Then plus c. So it is in the form of u into v method. Here t is u and e power t is v. So t into integral of e power t dt minus d by dt of t integral of e power t dt whole dt plus c. So t into integral of e power t is e power t minus d by dt of t is 1. 1 into integral of e power t into dt plus c. So this is t into e power t minus e power t plus c. So taking e power t as common, t minus 1 plus c. So x into, but t equal to tan inverse of y. So x into tan inverse of y e power tan inverse of y into tan inverse of y minus 1 e plus c. Then x equal to e power tan inverse y e power tan inverse of y minus 1 plus c by e power tan inverse of y. That is x equal to tan inverse of y minus 1 plus c into e power tan y. So which is the general solution of given differential equation 1 plus y square into dx equal to tan inverse of y minus x into dy equal to 0.